In a previous lesson, we looked at how to create a spreadsheet. In this lesson, you will learn different ways to open a spreadsheet that has already been created and saved. One way is to open a spreadsheet from Google Drive. We are in My Drive, where we can navigate to a spreadsheet, then double-click it. The spreadsheet opens in its own tab. You can also go to the Google Apps icon at the top right of the screen, then select the Google Sheets app to launch it. Below, you will see a list of your spreadsheets. Just double-click the spreadsheet you want to open. Inside a spreadsheet, you can also open other spreadsheets by clicking File Open. A dialog box opens. Here, there are multiple options to open a file. One option is to search for a file in the search field. Below the search field, there are multiple tabs that can be used to browse files. The Recent tab displays recently opened spreadsheets. The My Drive tab enables you to browse folders and spreadsheets in your primary folder. Another option is the Starred tab, which displays spreadsheets that have been starred to enable users to quickly access frequently used files. I will go back to the Recent tab. Let's open the Fortune 1000 spreadsheet by double-clicking it. The file opens in its own tab. In this lesson, you learned how to open spreadsheets. We looked at multiple ways to search, browse, and open spreadsheets from within Google Drive and Google Sheets.